Well, hey guys, we are doing something a little different today, and I've got some new stuff in my hands. I've got on my dirty clothes, the kind that you save for those outdoor projects, or I suppose indoor too, but where you're going to get dirty and stained. I mean, the sweatshirt that I've had for more than a decade, maybe two. Those kind of clothes. That's what we're doing today, because we're going to do an indoor outdoor project, and I've got some new products to try. And you know what? I just need a little time in the sunshine, and I need to dig in the dirt. So I thought I'd bring you all along with me while I go out and I check my gardens to see if I've got any of my herbs coming up or any other little fun surprises, maybe some flowers from last year, maybe tackle a few projects. I don't know what all will get done today, but my soul needs sunshine and dirt. So that's what we're doing. We're going to get down and dirty with it. Hey, by the way, if you're new here, my name's Angela. I'm the inquisitive farm wife. Welcome to the channel. I hope you like it. I hope you stay a while. Make sure if you like this content, you give it that thumbs up. And if you're not already, go ahead and join the Farm Wife fam and hit that subscribe button and those notification bells so you don't miss out on any future videos, because you never know what adventure we're going to go on next. So I got this really neat kit. I thought the box had gotten lost. When this came in, everybody was so excited to see what it was about. This is from RainPoint, and they sent me a product to review, and I'm real excited about this because it's finally warm enough that we can go outside and hook this up and see how it works. So it's a smart watering system that has an easy setup and an app remote control. All things that sound really good for me. See, there's even a QR code that we can scan to get to find out all about savings, and there's 2 different QR codes you can use, whether it's iPhone or Android. I'm using an iPhone today. You're gonna not see the iPhone really because that's what I used to record with. So you'll get the idea though. And it says it's easy setup. That I like very much so. They sent everything that you need. I've got the little filters, and they even gave me a little schedule if I want to use it. The plumber's tape that we can use, and the device that we will hook this part up to. This is to the water spigot, and then this. Before we go outside, let's go ahead and get this part set up. What you see over here, this is my front door, and here you can see I've got an outlet. I'm going to plug in our little Wi-Fi device, and the little blue light turned on. Here's our little antenna. I'm going to set it here on this ledge that I don't really use, so it'll be kind of out of the way. And my device is just going to be on the other side of this wall. That is where the spigot is that I use for the garden. Next, what I need to do is I'm going to sync my phone to this so that we can go outside and install it and check it out.
Go in and do all the things to sync it and then start playing around. So here is the smart scene. You tap that and you can go in and you can change the conditions, the device status, time, or weather. And then you can choose once or repeat the date, the time, and then you go in to the then part, and you can go in and choose to send it to your mobile or your email and other information. And once you decide that, then you can decide how frequently you want to water and in between. It's really a really neat device. So this device is super smart. You can set it to go at sunrise and sunset to do different things on either A or B on the spigot. So you can have different areas watered differently. And this is really cool. Did you know you can even sync it to the weather so that if there's rain predicted that it won't water? You really, really are in high-tech mode by using this device.
I made it outside. Oh, here's Mr. Beasley. He's come to help supervise our project, okay? I don't need help with this part, Beasley. So I did want to, we're going to kind of put this together. This is my hydrant that we're going to be using. And so I pulled, and I will let you know, there's a good seal on this right here, which is good because this is the part that stays outside. Remember I talked about the filter and everything? That was just an extra piece. It actually comes with one on it, which is really nice. And but there's a place for batteries. So you will need 4 AA batteries, which I happen to have right here in my pocket. And we're going to put those in the, they just, go alternate opposite directions. So we'll get those in there. And then I'll just pop the seal right on. And it's a nice tight seal. And as soon as I did that, this has started flashing red. We will deal with that in a minute. First, I want to also, in my magic little pocket, I have, as part of the kit that you get, I have what I call plumber's tape. And I'm going to go ahead and put some of that on to my faucet. I'm going to go ahead and set this down. And what I want to do is just wrap around here, a couple of times. And what that's going to do is just help to make sure that your device will stay on there and stay leak proof. Well, I'm just going to start out by doing it with the device, I guess, just to get it on there good. There we go. Now I've got it going. So my cousin taught me you want to do righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. That's how I remember which way to go with these things. And then this device right here, it's going to stay here all summer, just like this. There's actually a left and a right spigot to this. And my plan is to have one of these spigots on a timer to make sure that my dogs always have their water. So even though you think of this as a gardening thing, and absolutely once my garden grows, I probably will stretch it further and have more of a garden that way. But for now, I just have the one, and it's just around the farm stand, and so I'll just have one hose that I will attach to that. We're not at the point where I'm planting anything yet. We're just kind of seeing what's there. We just got a nice rain yesterday, so it's a beautiful day and things are just starting to green up and start to look good here in Northeast Kansas. But I wanted to go ahead and get this ready and set up, and we're going to play with it, and we're going to put it on a schedule so that my dogs are always going to get watered. And then I'm going to take the other one and I'm going to run a hose. And then if I want, I can have an irrigation system hooked up to that so that my plants can get watered on a regular basis, and it'll all just be from my phone. So like yesterday, we got the rain. And so if I decided, oh, well, I don't need to water, I can get in there and I can adjust things on my phone. And that is really, really cool. But I'm going to pause you for a moment. I'm going to play with the app because if I didn't mention already, there's an app. I downloaded the app. I synced that. Remember in the house there, we had the Wi-Fi. We connected it to my Wi-Fi and went to their little device so that it can then go to this one. Oh, oops. So watch. Let's just play for fun. So it is blinking white after I touched it. So I don't have the water on. So I probably ought to, lefty-loosey, turn that on. Okay, now I'm going to turn the right one. And there comes water. And then I tapped it again to shut it off. Now that was really, really cool. So this is really full, so we don't need a lot. So even if I wanted to use both of these hoses, but still use this to water with, and not be on a schedule, like if I just want to come and do it on my own, all I have to do, I'm going to bring you in a little bit closer, and we'll see if we can't do the left one the same way. And we'll try this again a little closer. So this time, because see, I have this on. It is now to the time where I can absolutely have my faucet on. We're not having freezing temperatures, so I'll turn that left one on, and then when I want to shut it off, I tapped it, it gives it a few seconds, and it shuts it back off. So I'm really excited about the fact that even if I am not around with my phone, one of my other family members or, my husband or someone can see, oh, the dogs are running low on water. I don't want to disconnect this device. How do I use it? They can just push that little button and they can water the dogs or whatever needs to be done. If they're just needing to wash their hands or whatever have you, they can just come up to it and use it. And then this can stay on and connected all summer long. I'm really excited about this. This is going to be great. This is going to really save me some time. And I'm going to pause you and I'm going to look at the app and see if I can find out some more information to share.
So now, while I tell you a little bit more about this company, I thought I would go ahead and do a little cleanup and just get ready for spring gardening season. I'm so excited. The weather is nice and we can start to get outside again. So come with me as we go around the farm stand and see what little plants we might be able to find as we get ready for this next year. Looking for an irrigation timer and accessories, visit RainPoint to find a wide range of lawn and garden products. The full range of RainPoint smart garden irrigation systems can be linked and controlled. With a mobile app, you can fully monitor your environment and set your garden watering schedule, so you can change your schedule at any time and place you want. The watering series integrates Wi-Fi version, Bluetooth version, and manual version, which can meet your multiple operation needs. Of course, no matter which series it is, the ultimate goal of simplifying management tasks and saving water can be achieved. To make the most of your water resources, take advantage of the timer's ability to water over time, and use it with a drip irrigation hose to deliver water slowly to the roots of your plants, greatly reducing water loss while promoting plant health. RainPoint offers only the best and innovative irrigation products. I don't know for sure what I found. I definitely found lots of weeds today, but I think there might be a few marigolds coming up. And look, my chamomile too.
Check out that watering system. It just might be what would help you with your garden this year too. Bye for now, friends.